Hi, I'm Surya Prakash. I'm first year medical student at Dai Nam University, which is located in Hanoi. It is the capital of Vietnam.
Hi, I'm Sandhya Jaishankar. I'm first year MBBS student at Dai Nam University.
So actually we are standing in the entrance of the Dai Nam University. It is a central building. This building contains around 8 floors. This building contains financial department, staffs department. Departments, everything is available in the central building.
Next we move towards the startup building. So this is the startup building. Most of the practical classes will take place here only. Even like anatomy lab, physiology, everything you will be coming over here and you will be learning the practical sessions. The one more thing is the yoga class will be also taken over here.
We have the practical classes. In these floors we have able to see the silicon bodies, at the same time skeletal model, muscular system model, heart model, brain model, actually anatomical of the body. Every model will be, we can able to see in the 8th and 7th floor, not originals, but it is a model.
This is the GD1 building. We will be taking our exams like SEM exams, all of those things in this building. And opposite to that, we will be having GD1, which is specially designed for Indian students. And most of the seminars and all of the classes like AI, everything will be taken over there.
So inside of the building, it is the ground floor which we are in. Around 2 lecture halls are there. Here only for Indian students the class will go. So especially this is a 2 lecture hall. So each class have the capacity of around 200 students to study. But here they have dividing 50 students for each class. Like that, it is a lift. We can use lift. It is a staircase. It is a Vietnamese canteen. We can take juices, ice creams, everything is available here. So it is the back view of GD1 building. Actually, we want to say about the weather means too good weather. We can feel everything here also.
So you can see now the climate is too good and it is exactly like our Indian climate. So students will not face any difficulties in adapting to the climate. Since the mat is located exactly in the downstairs of the hostel, the students are no need to go outside of the college or roam here and there to get the stationery or whatever the thing is. Each and everything which is like toilet accessories or snacks or the juice or anything is available here. So it is very accessible for the students to come here and get the things whatever they need.
Next we go for laundry room. Actually, these are the gates. Without a card, the students can't enter or leave that. These are the lift services to go for the dormitory.
As you can see, there are so many drying machines over here. So there is no need of feeling uncomfortable or like there will be no space to wash the clothes or anything. You will have the laundry facility over here. This is the washing area and this is the drying area. So this is the place where you can wash your clothes or you can dry, and you can take it over to the balcony and you can dry over there also. So you can see this is the Department of Dormitory Management. Here you can ask any queries or anything related to your dormitory. They will help you in the things which you are facing difficulties in the dormitory. Next we are moving on with the girls entrance. As mentioned, each boys and girls will be having separate entrance. This is the girls entrance and this is the access card. If you place this card only, you can open the door. There will be no unknown persons entering into this. So it is very safety for the girl students as well as the boy students to enter and exit.
Actually, it is the entrance of the boys' hostel. When we come from the staircase, we can easily go to the mess, which is just opposite to the dormitory. Let me go and see the dining hall, how it is. It is the washing area.
The mess timings are like in the morning you will be having your breakfast at 6:30 a.m. to 7:30 sometimes, and in the afternoon it will be like around 12:40 and soon after you complete your classes. It ends by 1 o'clock, and in the night it is like 7 to 8:30 p.m. and it varies in Sunday and Saturdays.
It is the food serving area. The different foods will be available for North Indian students, South Indian students, especially for Tamil Nadu students. It is the area where the students can sit and eat during their breakfast, lunch, dinner also. Around in one single time, around 150 students can sit and eat. That much bigger hall it is. Actually, we are near to the ATM machine. This is also located inside the campus itself. Let I show. It is the card which is bought in India. Now I show how to take them. So we can take the cash It is the receipt.
So we have 20 lakhs in our hands. The single note is equal to 1,750 rupees for our Indian money, and in Vietnam they call it as 5 lakh. So there is a small setup of herbal plant garden. There's a two set of setup over here. This is the one, and another one will be present on the back side. So there are lots of herbal plants over here.
It is the vending machine. I'm show on trial how to take this. So first we want to insert the cash. Here the price will be visible what the money we have sent. So now we take two items from here. We want to type this number 37 I'm taking. It is the demo of vending machine. We go for next one. Actually, Dai Nam campus is somewhat full of greenery campus, we can say, because wherever we can see also the trees, everything will be. It is good to see also. Actually, it is the entrance of the football court. Come, let me go inside and we can see. Actually, here sports event is going on. Actually, around for per month at least like this one time also it will conduct. In Vietnam, football is famous. Every people will play, most of them will play only football.
So we'll be having the physical education training too, like both male and female, like boys and girls, both of them will be having football classes, yoga, martial arts and dance. It is compulsory for all the students in the first year, maybe in the further year also, to join in those courses, and we will be having grading for that also.